Welcome you all. Today we are here with another idiomatic expression, and that is to get to the bottom of. To get to the bottom of, which means to discover the truth about a situation or something. इसको हम उर्दू में हकीकत या सच्चाई का पता लगाना हम ये कह सकते हैं। यानी बाज़ दफ़ा हम कोशिश कर रहे होते हैं कि सच का पता लगा सकें या पता लग जाए, वहाँ पे ये हम इडियम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, get to the bottom of. How we are going to use it in sentences like, police are working furiously to get to the bottom of this recent string of violent crimes. So we have used here to get to the bottom of. Here is another sentence or situation. I'm not sure what is causing the problem, but I'm determined to get to the bottom of it. So once again, we have used here to get to the bottom of it.